Let me be honest with you. Your videos are probably not bad, but your thumbnails are killing your views. You see, YouTube doesn't rank videos. It ranks click behavior. If people don't click, your video dies before it even has a chance. Today, I'm going to show you how to create AI thumbnails that actually force people to click, even if you have a small channel with 0 subscribers. The truth is, no click means no growth. It's that simple, but we're about to change that. So, why do most thumbnails fail so badly? Well, most creators treat their thumbnails like movie posters. They cram in way too much text, throw in a dozen different elements, and completely forget about emotion. It's a cluttered mess, but here's the secret. Your thumbnail only has one job. Just one, and that's to make people curious enough to click. Its job isn't to explain the entire video. It's not to win a design award or look pretty. Its only purpose is to create an irresistible pressure, an itch that can only be scratched by clicking. Look at the difference between a messy, confusing thumbnail and a clean viral one. One gets ignored, the other gets the view. Here's a rule that professional creators live by: the 3-second scan rule. Your thumbnail must be fully understood in 3 seconds or less. That's how long you have to capture someone's attention as they're scrolling. So, when you look at your thumbnail, ask yourself these 3 critical questions. First, can I read the text instantly, even on a small phone screen? Second, is there only one single, clear idea being communicated? And third, does an emotion hit me right away? Is it surprise, curiosity, or shock? If the answer to any of these is no, you need to go back and redesign it. Don't get attached to your first idea. Your thumbnail isn't a piece of art. It's a tool for getting clicks. If it fails the 3-second test, it will fail on YouTube. Now, let's break down the formula behind almost every single viral thumbnail. It's simple, and it works. Face, plus emotion, plus contrast, plus curiosity. That's the core system. You need a clear human face showing a strong, relatable emotion. You need high contrast, both in colors and in the text, so it pops off the screen. And most importantly, you need to spark curiosity. AI is an amazing tool for generating the visual elements, like the face and the background. But you, the creator, are in charge of the emotion and the message. That's what makes it powerful. For example, a boring title like How to Make Thumbnails Using AI gets ignored. But a curiosity-driven title like Why Nobody Clicks Your Videos creates an immediate need to find out the answer. That's the switch you need to make. Alright, let's jump in and actually use AI the right way to create these thumbnails. This is where most people go wrong. They type in a lazy prompt and use the first image that comes out. We're not going to do that. Here's a powerful prompt structure you can use. You need to specify the emotion you want the face to convey. Is it shock, excitement, confusion? Then, define the lighting. Is it dramatic, bright, cinematic? Next, demand background simplicity. A clean, non-distracting background is key. And finally, tell the AI to leave clear, negative space for your text. Once you have your prompt, generate multiple options, at least 5 to 10. Never ever settle for the first result. Scroll through them, pick the one with the strongest emotional hook, and discard all the weak ones. The selection process is just as important as the prompt itself. Now for the part that actually makes you money and wins the click-through rate: human editing. A great thumbnail is edited, not just generated. The AI gets you 80% of the way there. But the final 20% is where the magic happens. Open up your chosen image in Canva, Photoshop, or Figma. The first thing you do is remove any unnecessary text. Keep it to 3 to 5 powerful words, max. Next, boost the contrast. Make the colors pop, make the shadows deeper, and ensure the subject stands out from the background. You want to guide the viewer's eye exactly where you want it to go. Use subtle blurs or vignettes to focus attention on the face and the text. Remember, the goal is to create a clear visual hierarchy. Your eye should go from the face, to the emotion, to the text, all within a split second. And finally, let's talk about A/B thinking. The top professionals don't guess what works. They test it. They don't just create one thumbnail and hope for the best. They create 2 or 3 variations for the same video and let the data decide which one wins. You can do this easily. Take your best thumbnail and create a second version. Maybe you change the text from "my biggest mistake" to "this lost me $10,000." Or you change the emotion on the face from surprised to frustrated. Or you simply swap the color scheme from blue and white to red and yellow. It's the same video, but these small changes can lead to massively different click-through rates. Track your analytics. If a video isn't performing well, swap the thumbnail. You might be shocked at how a simple change can revive a dying video. To help you put all of this into action, I've created a completely free AI thumbnail system PDF. It's packed with my best prompts, proven layouts, and examples of high-performing thumbnails that you can model. All you have to do is comment the word THUMB down below, and I'll share it with you. This is the exact system I use to get clicks. Thank you for watching, and get ready, because tomorrow is day 7. where we'll dive into creating AI-powered reels and shorts that are designed to go viral. Don't miss it. Subscribe, and I'll see you then.